Hey everyone! The Evnia 49M2C8900L is a new and stunning gaming monitor that Philips has released for the European market. With a Quantum Dot OLED display, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and a maximum brightness of 1000 nits, this monitor is an attractive option for gamers. The newly introduced Evnia model and the Evnia have a lot in common. Remarkably, the new display is less expensive than the previous one, which cost $1,499. It has a 49-inch screen with a Gen 2 Samsung Display QD-OLED panel that has an 1800R curvature. The 49M2C8900L has an outstanding refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is significantly lower than the 240 Hz offered by the Evnia. Key specifications of the Philips Evnia include a display resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels and a 32:9 aspect ratio, providing an immersive ultra-wide viewing experience. The monitor delivers a swift 0.3 ms gray-to-gray response time, ensuring smooth and responsive visuals. It covers 99% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut and 125.2% of the AdobeRGB color space, offering vibrant and accurate color reproduction. For gamers, it supports both FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync technologies to minimize image tearing and stuttering. In terms of brightness, the Evnia achieves a peak of 1000 nits, although this drops to 450 nits, or 250 nits in SDR mode. The monitor is also equipped with robust audio capabilities, featuring four 7.5-watt speakers in a 2.2 channel setup and a 3.5 mm audio jack for external audio devices. Connectivity options are abundant, with the monitor including one display, port 1.4, two HDMI 2.1 ports, four USB-A ports with a maximum speed of 5 Gbps per second, and a USB-C port with 90-watt power delivery and DisplayPort Alt mode. The Philips Evnia gaming monitor arrives with a notably lower price tag compared to its predecessor, making it a more accessible option for gamers. In the UK, it is priced at $1,100. This pricing represents a significant saving of up to $400 compared to the Philips Evnia 49M2C8900 model, which is currently priced at $1,499. The Evnia's competitive pricing is not limited to Philips's own product range. Additionally, it costs less than a few other gaming monitors with the same Samsung QD-OLED panel that are available on the market. This makes the Evnia an appealing choice for gamers who want to take use of cutting-edge display technology without having to pay a high price. Overall, the Philips Evnia 49M2C8900L gaming monitor is a great option for gamers looking for a high-performance, ultra-wide monitor, since it combines an outstanding array of connectivity choices, brilliant colors, and high-quality display technology. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, then hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.